He's a horse, man. I'm telling you.
I think he's alive.
Yeah.
No, I don't got that big beach. So.
That's a good one.
What team member you guys?
22.
How'd you do, Mayo?
They're dead. My fish dead. I want bigger.
Dang, really? See, I one bigger than that one and died. Dang. That sucks. 14.56.
Jacob out.
Good job, man. Sitting over here in the shade.
We didn't catch nothing until.
See, that's what everybody, we did. I didn't catch anything from 3 days. All ours came early.
Yeah. Ours took the weight.
I'll grab ours out and just see what the weight is. Yeah. Look at that cute little flag. Wow. 3.42. Hey, I was almost said 4 pounds.
He's a horse, wasn't he?
Yeah, he was. Feisty son guy. Wish it was my fish that did that though. That's all right with it, you know what I mean? I'll leave it alone next time. Go get
That was a nice fish.
Yeah.
You got two hands and you know you got something.
I almost had to have 3 hands on him. 18
Where are we?
18.20. We are number 8.
All right, is everybody weighed in?
Yeah, probably ready to go to bed, ain't you? You're not? He's ready to party. Man, I would be.
I thought for sure he was going to sleep on it.
Like,
I
no way,
swear I
I'll stay
thought
up another day, buddy. Hey, man.
He's like, I'm ready to go the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming.
Greg gonna take you back out fishing after this?
Heck
No.
no.
Oh, we didn't put the money.
We didn't split it up.
Yeah.